Wire are always the problem, so I just pulled wire from regular AC something. I don't know what even is this instrument, I'm not sure. So now I have to go back onto my wiring, and I'm using of course a soldering iron, and now I will try to connect everything back. So do it step by step. Okay, I will start from this side because it can stand on this side without falling. So I need to connect between this and this and this and this. So I will need wires. Don't really matter what is the color, as long as connecting it good. Try to measure the exact wire length, will be much better. And I'm using a regular soldering iron. I don't have a welding machine for this. I didn't buy anything, but I forgot to bring soldering paste. No, I did bring the solder. It's here. So let's work with it. So what we will do, of course, apply soldering paste. I want you to see what I'm doing, so maybe I will do a little zoom here. So I'm putting soldering paste before soldering this wire. It is a short one, so beware because it is getting hot pretty quick, and the length is short, so you will feel it in your hand. So now the message for doing it. I need to solder between this and this, so I will put, of course, soldering on the battery. By the way, in order if you have a good metal that catch the soldering, so it's easy. Here, if you don't have a good amount of metal, so it will be a little more tricky to do it. And if you have a problem to do it, so now it's okay. If you have a problem to do it, I will give a tip how to do it in a second. So now what we are doing is applying solder and doing it as thin as we can. You can see that I put the solder not in the correct place to catch it, so I will put it here also, additional place. Now it's in the correct place to catch it, and then I'm doing it like this. As you can see, one is done. We have to do one here, one here. Okay, let's go one by one. Again, same method exactly. Measure the distance. Okay, there is no problem to catch the solder on the battery. It's not a good thing to hit the battery too much, but I'm trying to do it fast without hitting the battery a lot. It goes like this. It is better to heat it to higher temperature for a shorter time, because in this way the heat doesn't move to the bottom of the battery or to all the battery. So again, doing it like this. Don't forget that the battery should be able to close. So if you have places like this that are a little up, so it might be hard to put it all together. So here is the thing. This was connected between the two batteries. Now I have no way to do it the same way it was. So I will of course connect it only to one side, and I prefer to this side. So why to this side? Because this side is the negative, and there is no short problem in this side. So I'm doing it like this. Applying solder. I will have to use, of course, a screwdriver because it will be very hot to catch it here and solder it. Now it's okay. It is connected to one side, but the one side is connected to the other, so it's exactly like it was. I have the same problem here, so what I will do here, I will use another wire to connect between this part and the balancer. So I will do it like this. Make sure that your surface doesn't have any wire or metal things. Okay, so I will connect it like this. Now I can gently connect it to the balancer part. Okay. Okay. This size is almost okay. I have one thing to connect this part to this part and this part to this part, so let's try to do it. Ha! Doesn't look too good. Again, we want to avoid shorts. We want it to be as good as possible. So maybe I will cut one side. Again, the way is to put a solder and then use your screwdriver in order to catch it. It's look promising to me. On this side it's a little more tricky. Again, I will have to pull a wire here on this side, and it is not catch very well, so I will put here some glue. We have to put here some glue in order to catch it. Let me think. Maybe I will take a metal to connect between the two parts. Probably it will be better, I think. I'm taking one of the metals that I have cut from the batteries. Because the reason I'm doing it, because I want the metal to catch the other part so it won't move. So I will do it like this. Yes, I'll do it like this. So first thing here, and here. It can become pretty hot, so we need to do it quick. Second thing will be here. It seems like more advanced option. Again, soldering here. Yes, it looks okay to me. Okay, next. Now I will go to the other side, so I need to connect this and this, this and this, and this and this. So there are few, and also all the balancers. Okay. Okay, here I'm doing something a little different. Looks more creative to me. since they both need to go to the balancer, so I will connect it like this. Balancer. It is hot. And then one side to this cell and one side to the other cell. Not bad, not bad. Last 3 solders. I prefer this method because when you're bending and hitting the wire, it is like moving from the plastic, so I prefer the other version. And this is what I'm going to do. Okay, so here connect this wire from another side maybe. From here. Directly to the balancer. Here, like this.